Hi everyone, it's Femelanio here and welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'll be showing you a new prop firm that can allow you get a trading challenge account for as low as $24. Yeah, you heard that right, $24. Now you see this same prop firm I'm about to talk about also allows you to trade on MT5, which means that you can trade Forex, you can trade crypto, and you can trade other financial markets through this prop firm. So for those of you that have been saying, maybe I already talked about crypto prop firms, then here is one for you. And the name of this prop firm is Funded Trader Markets. So in this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to understand about this prop firm. I'll show you how it works and also exactly how you can use it for yourself. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Before I go on and show you everything you need to know, kindly like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. So as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the Funded Trader Markets website, and to get to this screen, all you have to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video, and it will bring you right here to this website where you can now come to create an account and get a trading account for yourself. So let's go straight to the point and let me show you everything you need to understand about the Funded Trader Market prop firm. Now as you can see right here, this is the homepage of the website. It says no excuses, no delays, 24 hours, or we pay double. Now when I saw this, I researched on the meaning, and the meaning of this is that once you get a funded account and you want to request for a withdrawal, they pay you within 24 hours. And even there were some websites where I saw that they can even pay within 2 to 4 hours. And you can see it right here. They're telling you that if they don't pay you within 24 hours, they even double the amount they are meant to pay you. So it is there on the homepage. Now let's continue to scroll down. You can see right here, they are covered in over 160 countries. They have up to $1.5 million maximum allocation, 24 hours performance reward guaranteed, on-demand rewards, and so on. So let's scroll up, and right here you can see there are recent rewards. That is the people who have made withdrawals from their website recently. So you can see them right there on the screen. So let's keep scrolling. So right here you can see why traders choose FTM. So you can see all those things right there. Now you see this part that says choose your trading challenge. This part I want to explain it very well so that you understand what you are going into and so that you understand the kind of trading account you should get. Now let's get into it. Now if you come here on this page, you have 3 different types of accounts that you can get. You have the one-step evaluation, you have the two-step evaluation, and you have the instant funding account right there. Now, one-step evaluation basically means that you just pass just one test. Once you pass the test, it takes you directly to the funded account where you can now start making withdrawals. And then for the two-step evaluation, it means that you'll be doing 2 tests. And let me just put tests there. And then once you pass those 2 tests, it takes you to the funded account where you can be getting withdrawals. And then for the instant funding, for this one, from day one, you can be making withdrawals. So I hope you understand the differences between one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, and instant funding. Now, come with me. Now, under one-step evaluation, you now have 3 different options. You have one-step nitro, you have one-step nitro static, and then you have one-step nitro X. Now, I want to explain these 3 options so that you understand which one to go for. And by the way, I already have like a $50,000 account that I got from this prop firm, which I'll be showing you later in this video. So let's go on. So as you can see right here, for the first option, which is the one-step nitro. Now for the details of this one, you see one-step nitro, complete one straightforward evaluation and access your simulated funded account immediately after passing. And then you can see the key benefit of this one. So you can see it's a single phase, which means that there's just one phase you need to pass and then you go straight to funded account. And then the next benefit is that you get 100% profit split on the first $10,000 of profit. So this means that once you get to the funded phase, the first $10,000 you make, you are getting everything. So after the first $10,000, the remaining amount you start making, you'll be taking just 80 to 90% of it. I hope you understand. But for the first $10,000 you make, you get everything. So I think this is good. And then the third benefit says up to $300,000 in allocation. So you can get up to $300,000 in allocation for this one. And then you get one-time funded reset. So you can reset it just one time. And then you get no floating loss limit right there. Now, after you've seen these benefits, come with me. You see that you have this different account that you can get. So if you want a 5K account, you have $24. You can spend $24, which is very, very cheap. $24 for a 5K account is really cheep. And then we come here to where it says 10K account. For 10K 10K account, you have $52. For 25K account, $90, and so on. So you can see with as low as $24, you can get a trading account on Funded Trader Market. Now you might be looking at this and be saying, oh, this is really good. Number one, it is cheap, and number two, you are getting just one phase, and then number three, it is 100% profit split on the first $10,000 you make. And you might want to say, oh, let me just go ahead and get this one. Now it has its own disadvantage too. Now the disadvantage you have right here is that this one-step nitro has what is called trailing drawdown. So if you come here to where you have the rules, this is where you have the rules right here. So you can see for this one, the profit target is 10%, which means that for you to pass the test, just make 10% profit of whatever account you get. And then the maximum overall drawdown is 6%. So this means that once you lose 6% of whatever account you get, you lose that account. But here's how it works. Now, let's say, for example, you're already making money. I want to explain the trailing drawdown right here for this one. Now, let's say, for example, you're already making money and maybe you already got into, let's say you got this 5K account and maybe you've made it to up to, let's say, $5,200. But your target is still $5,500 because you're making 10%. So if you've gotten to, let's say, $5,200, that your 6% drawdown, this 6% drawdown, just look at the screen right here, this 6% drawdown right here, that 6% will now be 6% of $5,200. So it will no longer be 6% of $5,000. If it's that it is 6% of $5,000, it is good. That means that even if you keep going up or you keep coming down, it is that 6% of $5,000 that you'll be able to lose the account. But right now, the more you start making money, the higher the risk of that account. So that means that if you get to $5,200 and then it starts coming down, if it comes down to that 6% of $5,200, you lose the account. So it's as simple as that. So that's the disadvantage of this one. But regardless of that, it is still a good one to get as a beginner. So if you're a beginner, you want to get this, just go ahead and get the 5K account for $24 or whichever one you can afford to get right here. Now that's the first one. Now the second one is the one-step nitro static. Now for this one, it is the same thing as the first one, but the only difference is that the 5K account is now $49. So the 5K account right here is $49. And the second difference is that it is 80% profit split. So this means that from day one, once you start making withdrawals, you will only get 80% of the profit you make, which is normal. But for the one-step nitro, you are getting 100% of everything for the first $10,000 you make. I hope you understand. So you can see this one right here, $49, it is more expensive. And this one, you are getting 80% profit split. But where it has an advantage over this one-step nitro is that for this one, it has a static drawdown. So you can see right here, the drawdown is 6%. So it is 6% of whatever account you get. So let's, for example, you get, let's say this $10,000 account. 6% of it is about $600. So that means that if you lose $600, you lose the account. So it is not like maybe if it goes up, maybe if it goes to $10,200 or $10,300, that will now be, once you lose 6% of $10,300, you lose the account. No, it is static. Whether you are going up or down, it is only when you get to $9,400, which means that you've lost $600. That's when you'll be able to lose this account. But if you keep going up or down, that drawdown does not change. I hope you understand. But for this one-step nitro, it keeps changing as you keep making more money, which is risky. I hope you understand. So that's the only difference. And then for the last one, which is one-step nitro X. Now for this one, the price has also increased again to $59. So the cheapest one is the one-step nitro. Take note of that. But for this one now, it is $59 for 25K account. So the lowest account you can get for this one is $25,000. So for this one, the profit target is lower. So the profit target is 6%. So this means that they're giving you a lower target to meet. So once you make 6% profit, you are going to the next phase. That's the meaning. So it doesn't have to be up to 10% of this other ones, this one step and this one step nitro static right there. So once you have 6% profit, just go ahead and you've passed the account. And then the drawdown is 3%. So for this one is this 3%. So that means that once you lose 3%, you also lose the account. But the advantage on this one's have is that for this one, you can lose 6%. I hope you understand. For this nitro static, you can lose 6%. But for this nitro X, once you lose 3%, you've lost the account. So you can see these are the differences between one-step nitro static, and one-step nitro X. So if you're the kind of person that maybe you want to be able to like get a cheaper account, you can go for this one-step nitro. This one is cheaper if you are looking at money that you have. But if you have the money and then you are looking at getting something that is less risky, you can just go for this one-step nitro static right there. So for this one, it is $49, but the profit target is 8%. And then the overall drawdown is 6%, but it is static. It is not changing as you make money. I hope you understand. So if you have the money, you can get this. And then for this one step Nitro X right here, for this one, if you want to get higher capital with lower amount of money, so maybe you want to get like 25K account, you can get for $59 right here. But if you are using this, or 25K account is like $159. But with this one right here, you just get it for $59 straightforward. But it's just that the rules are more strict for one step Nitro X. So it depends on whichever kind of trader you are and also your risk tolerance. But for beginners, I would advise that you go with the one step Nitro $24. But if you have the money, come for this one step Nitro static of $49. I hope you understand. So that's it for the one step evaluation. For the two step evaluation right here, you have two options. You have two step plus and you have two step prime right here. Now for the two step plus right here, it is the normal one where you have to pass two tests, and once you pass the two tests, you get to your funded account. But for this one, it is 70% profit split right there. So you are getting 70% of whatever you make. And then the 5K account is $33. I think is still okay. $33 for two-step account is okay. And the target for phase 1 is 8%. Target for phase 2 is 5%. And the overall drawdown is 10%, which is really good, 10%. So that means that you only lose the account when you've lost 10% of the capital that you get. I hope you understand. And then for the two-step prime right here, for this one, it is more expensive. So you can see it is $45 right here. But for this one, you are getting 80% profit split. You know, for this two-step plus, it is 70%. But two-step prime, it is 80% profit split. And the target for phase 1 is 6%. Target for phase 2 is 6% too. But the overall drawdown is also 6% right there. So it also depends on your risk tolerance and the amount of money you have. Now, the last one is the instant funding. For instant funding, this one you also have 3 different options. You have instant standard. For instant standard, the 5K account is $70, and then you have up to 80% profit split. Now, for this instant funding, don't forget, you start withdrawing your money from day one. If you make profit from day one, you can start withdrawing from day one. You don't have to pass any test or any phase. I hope you get it. But the only time you can only lose this account is where you meet your drawdown. So you can see the drawdown, overall drawdown is 5%. So once you lose 5% of this total account right here, you lose the account. And then for the Instant Pro for 5K, it is $49. This one is cheaper. So $49 is cheaper, but the drawdown is lower, which means that once you lose 3% of your account, you lose the account too. And then you have Instant Plus. So for Instant Plus, this one is $47 for the 5K account, and the overall drawdown is 6% too. So you can just make sure that you follow all of these rules, check them very well, and make sure that you follow them accordingly. So now that you understand all of these different trading accounts, now I'll go ahead and pick one, and then I'll show you how you can go ahead and connect it to your MT5 account. So let's, for example, you want to pick the one-step evaluation. Let's say you want to pick the one-step Nitro. Then come here and pick, let's say, the 5K account, 10K account, anyone. So let's say I want to get the 5K account. Just click on it. And once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen, just scroll up, and then you can see where it says Get Started. Just click on it. And then right here on the screen, you confirm whatever you've picked, confirm the one-step evaluation, confirm it is Nitro, and confirm it is 5K. And then you pick the trading platform you want to use to take the trades. So you have MT5, you have CTrader, you have Match Trade, and you have Trade Locker. So you can pick whichever one you prefer. So I know most of you want to use MT5. So you pick MT5 right here. And then once you pick it, you click on Proceed to Checkout. So once you click on Proceed to Checkout, you have 2 ways to make your payment. You can make payment through crypto, or you make payment through your debit card. So once you have that, just go ahead and make your payment. So I have a 50K account already, so I'll just go ahead and show you that, and then now you can go on and have it. So let's say, for example, you've already made your payment. Just come right here to where it says login. So you can see where it says login right here. Just click on it. So right here on the screen, just go ahead and log in with your email address. If you don't have an account already, just come here and click on register, or you can just go ahead and register through the link in the description below too. So you can go ahead and register through that. But for me, I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in. And you can see on the screen right here, I've logged in already, and this is the account I got. It is a 2-step account, and I got the one of 50K. And you can see right here, it says active because I've connected it to my MT5 account already. But let's say, for example, you've not connected it to your MT5 account. Now, once you make that payment, they'll send you your MT5 account details to your email. So the email address you put while trying to make your payment is where they'll send it to. So make sure that you use that. And that is the email address you must use to create your account or login when you are logging in. Please don't use different email addresses while making payment and while logging in. Please make sure it is the same email address. So they'll send your MT5 account details to your email address. So right here is my MT5 account page. And you can see it right here. I have the $50,000 I just connected. But let's say, for example, you've not connected it, you won't have it here. So what you just need to do is to come here to the bottom side of the screen where you have settings. So click on settings. So I'll click on it. And then at the top, you can see I already added the account. But if you've not added the account, just come right here and click on new account. So once you click on new account, come to the bottom side of the screen where you have enter company or server name. And then click on it and enter funded trader markets. So just enter it. And then you can see it at the top. Funded Trader Markets Limited. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you can enter the login and the password you got that was sent to your email address. So those are the details. You just come here and enter. Once you enter that, the account is connected already. So this is the 50K account I got, and then I can now start using it to trade. So it is as simple as that. So that is it about the account you can get on Funded Trader Market Prop Firm. It is simple and straight to the point. So if you're a kind of person that you're looking for a good prop firm to trade forex, crypto, commodities, and other financial markets, just go ahead and use Funded Trader Market. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you also want to try it out, don't forget to click the first link in the description below or the link in the pinned comment of this video and go ahead and try it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.